Hi there, my name is Ara from a beautiful country of the Philippines. I hold a bachelor's degree in tourism and hospitality management, and also I am a TFL certificate holder. Throughout my academic journey, I have developed a strong communication and interpersonal skills which I believe are essentials for creating a positive and engaging learning environment. I am enthusiastic, passionate about helping my students learn English. One thing about me is that I am very patient and approachable. I know what it's like to learn a new language, so I want you to feel safe, comfortable, and encouraged in every session with me. Now, what you can expect from me as your tutor? Well, I want my lesson to be simple, engaging, and fun. I understand that English can sometimes feel challenging, but my goal is to create a space where you feel comfortable making mistakes, because that's how we learn best. Whether it's grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, or just having a natural conversation, I will do my best to support you step by step. What matters most is that you enjoy the process while improving your skills. So if you're looking for someone who is friendly, flexible, and willing to give your best, I'd love to be your tutor. Let's work together, improve your English, and make this learning journey exciting and rewarding. Thank you for watching my introduction video, and I can't wait to see you in class. See you soon! Bye!